Okay, good day everyone. I am Kenfred Emerald B. Alaro, the reporter for today. So today we will be discussing the products of broken families. So we will be exploring the experiences and challenges faced by individuals from broken families. So first, let's understand what is broken family. So, a broken family typically refers to a family structure that has been disrupted due to divorce, separation, or loss of a parent. This phenomenon is prevalent in society, affecting countless individuals and shaping their life experiences. So, ang mga broken family, nag-vary ni siya if like to wala na kamo kaupod sa inyong mga family, like imo mga magpapahiwalay or um, nakadepende man siya sa mga problem nga gina-encounter sa inyong family. So first, let's watch a short film about a broken family. Okay. Um, we have here the emotional challenges faced by individuals from broken families. The first is feelings of abandonment and insecurity. Second is lack of parental guidance. And third is identity crisis and uncertainty. So let's discuss each. So, feelings of abandonment and insecurity is children from broken families often experience feelings of abandonment, insecurity, and low self esteem. So the disruption in family structure can lead to emotional distress, affecting their ability to form healthy relationships in the future. Many carry the burden of guilt, believing they are responsible for their family's issue, which can result in long-term psychological effects. So, bale, the feelings of abandonment and insecurity, like, nag-build sila dasan sang wall between the people around them tungod sa ilang mga naaagyan sa ilang family. So next is lack of parental guidance. So the lack of parental guidance and support can hinder the development of coping mechanisms in children from broken families. Can result in behavioral issues, academic struggles, and difficulties in social interactions. The absence of a stable home environment often leads to increased vulnerability to mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. So, ang mga tao nga sa broken families, mostly nag-experience sila sang lack of parental guidance kag nag-lead ini siya sang mga different nga mga bagay nga nagpabudlay bala sa sa experience ng isa ka tawo such as some depression and anxiety. This identity crisis and uncertainty. Many individuals from broken families may face identity crisis as they navigate their sense of self in the absence of a cohesive family unit. They may struggle to define their values, beliefs, and future aspirations, often leading to confusion and uncertainty about their place in the world. So, ang mga tao nga halin sa broken families is like though hindi sila kapanungdon kung ano ila clear nga goals sa ila pangabuhi kay tungod ina gani sa ila mga though kulang sila sa ano those similar sa lack of parental guidance tungod sila nga do hindi sila kaisip kung ano gid ang ila goal para sa ila future. Next is social consequences. First, we have challenges in trusting relationships, social withdrawal, and underdeveloped conflict resolution skills. So, ang challenges in trusting relationships, children from broken families often face difficulties in forming trusting relationships. So, balay nabudlayan sila magbuo relationships sa iban ka mga tao. For sabi, imo parents is nag-divorce tungod sila gani kay for sabi nag-cheat iya mother or iya father. So, bali ikaw nga bata nang maano ka man sila like matatak na si muutok nga daw ambal mo si Mosaf, hindi ka na ma-in love kay ambal mo tanan nga lalaki amo sina, tanan nga babae amo sina. So these challenges can stem from feelings of abandonment or insecurity created by their family environment. As a result, they may struggle to connect with peers and maintain new friendships, impacting their social skills and emotional well-being. So next is social withdrawal. These individuals may also experience social withdrawal or isolation. So ang mga tao bala nga halin sa broken families daw permi nila gina-isolate ila sa pagkapalayo sila sa ibang katawo. The stigma associated with being from a broken family can lead to feelings of shame and reluctance to engage in social settings, di ba? Further exact their loneliness. So, next is underdeveloped conflict resolution skills. Conflict resolution skill may be underdeveloped in those broken families. Frequent families disputes can teach children to handle disagreements poorly, which may carry into their adult relationships, leading to ongoing conflict and difficulty in resolving issues amicably. So, ang mga grabe. Pero, do hindi man ko ni agree. Kay do mostly man sa uh, at mga tao balang halin sa broken family is nagiging independent sila. That's why daw nadidevelop man nila ilang mga pag-solve sa mga conflicts sa ila life. So next is the educational outcomes. So first is early childhood, second primary school, third high school, fourth higher education, and fifth is post-graduation. So this timeline highlights the educational achievements and challenges faced by individuals from broken families, showcasing the impact of familial structure on academic performance and opportunities. So, sa early childhood, children from broken families may experience instability in early education affecting their foundational learning. So, mga children nga halin sa broken families, medyo dumabudlayan sila bala mag-catch up sa ila peers sa studies. Next is primary schools. Many individuals face social and emotional challenges which can lead to difficulties in academic performance. So sa primary school naman, madamo gid nga mga bata nga halin sa broken families ang nagasuffer sa mga social ug emotional challenges. Tapos, nag-affect din siya sa ila learning, sa ila academic performance. Next is high school. Increased dropout rates are often seen among those from broken families due to lack of support. So, very common ini siya sa high school, madamo ang mga nag-drop out ng mga estudyante kay tungod gani ang mga family problems ng tungod mostly sa abi sa mga broken families is nag-suffer sa financial problem na nga mostly sa mga student is nag-drop out na lang kag nag-work na lang sila. Next is higher education. Despite challenges, some individuals achieve higher education driven by resilience and external support systems. So, dili naman sa higher education, madamo diri halin sa broken families nga nagaporsigigin kag nakaka-achieve sila sa mga bigger achievements sa ila life. Next is post-graduation. Graduates from broken families often navigate a complex job market, balancing personal challenges with career aspirations. So, um, sa mga broken families, wala nga mga nakagraduate, dugamay mo lang siguro ang mga nabubudlayan magpangita o work sa ila. So, next is the coping mechanisms. So, we have creative expression, support networks, mindfulness practices, and professional help. So, creative expression, engaging in creative outlets like art or music helps express emotions and process feelings associated with family trauma. So, if mahilig, may lagi mo like, mostly sa mga problems, balang nga tao is, express na lang nila, inanong is through arts. The support networks. Strong support network of friends and mentors provide emotional stability and understanding during tough times. So, building a good relationships with your friends or having friends around you lang gidya can make a big difference gidya if you're going through many problems. Next is mindfulness practices. Practicing mindfulness and self-care routines assist in managing stress and improving mental well-being. So, sa dire pwede kaguro ka, like, mag-focus ikaw sa yourself, like, go out more, pwede ka nature trip para maging chill ka, para makapala lang sa mga problems nimo sa inyong family. Next is professional help. Seeking professional therapy or counseling can provide valuable guidance and coping strategies for dealing with emotional pain. So if like inang hindi nagibala makaya imo na batyagan bala like yung feeling mo bala dalom-dalom na gid, need mo na gid mag-seek sa mga professional therapy para maskin pa paano like dumahatagan ikaw treatment. So, impact of growing up in a broken family. Children from broken families often face emotional and social challenges, just like what we discussed earlier, that shape their experiences and perspectives. These experiences can lead to various outcomes influencing their relationships, self-esteem, and overall well-being. So, bali ang mga gaka-experience man tang isa ka tawo halin sa bata pa sila, madadalagid ni nila yaas tang magdako sila nga. That's why if nagdako ikaw sa environment nga daw for me lang nga inaway inyong family, so wala amo niya mo to inyong family, magdako sa madalayan na kung ano yung mga nakikita sa ila sulod sang balay. That's all. Thank you.